Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you a quick fix if you keep getting the blue screen error, or if you feel like your system is running slow, or you suspect your RAM might be having issue. So you are going to click on the Windows search button. This is it. Then you type MDSCHED. So once you type MDSCHED, as you can see, right click on it, then select run as administrator. Then to give you this prompting, so select restart now to check for problem. This means that the system is going to reboot. So let's select it now. So at this point, it's going to check if there's any issue detected on the memory. We are going to see it here, but so far as we can see, no problem have been detected yet. So we are going to wait for it to be completed. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to pause the video. So we are going to get our cleaning results from here. So as we can see, we are getting our window pop notification, no memory errors detected. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this fixed your issue. Have a nice day. Bye.